Welcome back guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to resize designs in Canva. So, if you want to experiment and want to see your designs in different sizes, well then stick around. Now, let's start. In the home page of Canva, navigate the design you want to resize. After that, tap the design. Then, in the header of Canva, tap Resize button. Now, in here, you can customize the size. Just input what size you want to be. Like for example, I'll be using this 4000 by 1350px. Then, once you're all settled with the design, just tap Resize this design. Tap Resize this design. And as you can see here, our designs are already updated. And if you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.